In this video, we're taking you on a tour of the Grand Hyatt San Francisco Airport. The hotel features luxurious rooms with soundproof floor-to-ceiling windows, a fantastic restaurant, a 24-hour fitness center, multiple event venues, and easy access via the air train. After landing at San Francisco Airport from Los Angeles, we took the air train directly to the hotel for a quick overnight stay before our connecting flight to Tokyo. To be honest, we weren't expecting to see such a beautiful lobby at an airport hotel as we entered. The lovely art piece above the check-in desk and fireplace by the seating area made for a warm welcome as we went through the check-in process. Let's take a look at our runway view. King room, room 1032. Alright, so as soon as you enter, on the right side is a pretty spacious bathroom. So it has a single sink with a large mirror with a backlight. And the products they have here is Balmain Paris. So that looks nice. And what do they have in here? Here's some Q-tips. And on the bottom, they have a shoehorn, a shoe bag, a shoe mitt, and they have this list of it. If there's anything you need, you can just call them and ask for it, and they'll take it to your room. And they also offer a shoe shine service, $8 per pair of shoes. Some drawers here, there's just a hair dryer there. And here's a full-size mirror with a weighing scale down there. There's the toilet and a very nice shower. Let's open this up. It's a rainfall shower with more Balmain products. And here is the closet. It's a small closet, so we have all our stuff in there. There's a robe right here. Actually, there's another robe in the bathroom. It's over there. So there's an ironing board, and a couple slippers, and a foam roller, which you can take home for $50 if you want it. So let's close this up. And let's take a view of the room with a king-size bed. So on this nightstand, they have some light switches and USB and regular power plugs, a drawer, and on that other nightstand, it also has USB and a power plug. Here's the big screen TV. And let's see what they have here. So there's 24-hour dining you can order from this menu. And we are Hyatt Globalists, so we get free breakfast for two at the restaurant or the Twin Crafts Market. Let's see what's in here. There's nothing in there, but here is some tea. And on the bottom here, or the safe. There's more storage here. And the fridge is in here. It's a small fridge. There's that. And then there's an Nespresso coffee maker. There's the Nespresso pods. And they provided us with a couple cans of still water. Here's a small dining table for one, and sitting area. And now let's take a look at the runway view. So you can see all the planes here, which is pretty cool. And they do provide you with binoculars so you can see the planes up close. And there is a plane spotting guide right here that they provide for you. So, plane spotter guide. And it shows you all the planes that go through here and how you can spot them by their features. So that is a quick look at our runway view room here at Grand Hyatt San Francisco. Quail and Crane is the hotel's stunning restaurant with incredible artwork found throughout the space, which is highlighted by a beautiful art piece hanging from above. It features rotating menus with a combination of Eastern and Western influences. Breakfast is served daily from 6 to 11 a.m., lunch from 11 a.m. to 2 p.m., and dinner from 5 to 10:30 p.m. We stopped by for breakfast and ordered the savory chicken and waffles, which was really good. My favorite item here was the Eggs Benedict with Dungeness crab cake, which had huge chunks of crab, which I really liked. We also had a fruit platter, which came with so much fruit, we had a hard time finishing the whole thing. We really enjoyed breakfast here, and we recommend guests try it out when staying at the hotel. Twin Crafts Bar is a lovely space where you can enjoy a cocktail with tasty bar bites while conversing with friends and other hotel guests. Twin Crafts Market offers quick grab-and-go food for travelers on the move. Start off your morning with fresh coffee, breakfast favorites, or have a sandwich and salad for lunch. You can also place orders here for in-room dining service if you prefer to stay in your room and relax. It's open 24 hours, so you will never go hungry here. Guests with Grand Club access can enjoy the club lounge for snacks and drinks throughout the day. An honor bar system is in place from 5 to 9 p.m. with appetizers served from 5 to 7 p.m. and after dinner treats from 7 to 9 p.m. It's such a relaxing lounge to sit around, have some snacks, and enjoy watching the planes take off and land. I really appreciate it when the hotels we stay at has a gym, and the Grand Hyatt San Francisco Airport's fitness center is a good one. It's a large space featuring plenty of cardio equipment, exercise machines, and free weights. I was able to get a good workout here since no one was using it during the evening. We had such a relaxing stay at the Grand Hyatt San Francisco Airport, and we highly recommend staying here if you have a long layover. Thank you for watching. Please support us by liking this video and subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram at Bev and Ryan so you can follow our adventures and weekly uploads.